Hey guys, what is up? Mason Animator here. Happy June 13th. Just got home from the gym. Wanted to make a quick video for you guys about something I have used to close more sales, and it's a guarantee. So industry is big on promoting do this and this will work. They preach all these absolutes. And if you do the same thing as everyone else, guess what? You're probably going to get similar results, and I want to be an outlier to that. And so I just want to show you something I've used to kind of help separate myself from what everyone else is doing, because half the leads I've talked to, they've already talked to other agents, and whether they know it or not, they've just helped me make it easier to close a sale. So what I did was I used a guarantee because I noticed no one else was doing that as far as kind of being their own brand, whatever the case is. You can call it what you want. So something that I used to make more sales was a pretty much just a conditional offer. And so what I wanted them to do was decide by not deciding. People love to delay decisions. So what I did was gave them a chance to do that. But in order to do that, they had to buy. So I use this kind of when people are on the fence until you can make just bold offers. Like until you can stand behind your word 100%. It took me a while to kind of build up that confidence because I didn't want to lose sales, but I realized like half a pie is better than no pie, or like half a zero is still zero. So you can't lose what you didn't have, right? So I used this kind of unconditional guarantee, and it actually started helping me close more sales, even though my refunds doubled. And I'll kind of go over the math behind that. And so what I did was I pretty much told them like, look, hey, I'm not asking for you to decide yes or no to today. I'm just asking you to make a fully informed decision. That is all. And the only way for you to make that happen is to be on the inside of it, not the outside. So you get in, you see if everything I say is true and is valuable to you. Then if it is, that's when you decide to keep it. Or if it's not for you, no hard feeling. But you can't make the decision right now for the same reason that you can't buy a house without like first looking at the inside of it. And you know this, whether it's 29 minutes after I leave or 29 days, if you ain't happy, I ain't happy. And for any reason whatsoever, you can get your money back, because I don't want to keep your money if you aren't happy, neither does the insurance carrier. So all you have to do is text me and tell me, give me my money, and you got it. No delays, nothing like that. And you can only make such a guarantee when you're confident that this is going to give you exactly what you and your family need to benefit. And so either one of these options are zero risk to you, but only one has the potential to get you to where you want to go, right? So option one, you have zero risk and is guaranteed to not get you there. And option two still has zero risk, but it has a lot higher chance of getting you to where you want to go. And so by getting people not to decide, they had to buy. And I hope you can understand that. So they didn't want to make a decision today, or they didn't want to get it. So I just told them basically, look, I'm not asking you to decide yes or no today. Let's just put in this application, get the policy back, see if it's everything like I disclosed. But they had to buy in order to do that, to make a decision. And that's where my follow-up game, being super strong, helped make sure a lot of that business stayed on the books and I didn't get any chargebacks. And so what this looks like, on a normal month, I might have made 40 sales and had 2 refunds. So that's a 5% churn rate, right? When I started throwing this guarantee out there, I started closing more sales to get people over the fence. So what that looked like is I had 55 sales. Now my refunds doubled. So that went up to 10%. But here's the thing. You take the net sales, so 55 minus 6, 49, divide that by 38, which was from the first month. So 40 minus 2. So 49 divided by 38, that is still a 28% increase. What is the math? Like 1.28? So that 28% increase, I was still more profitable, even though I had double the refunds. So you might want to try this. Like I said, if you want to stop getting what you're getting, you got to stop doing what you're doing. And I don't believe in doing the same thing as everyone else, no matter how good it's working. If it's not optimal for you, it doesn't matter. It's like dating a girl that you hate. No matter how hot she is, you're just not going to stay with her, okay? And I don't know, you might, but so this is just kind of something I did to increase my closing ratio, not doubled my refunds, but also had a huge uptick in sales. So if you want to try this or you found this valuable, let me know if you have any problems with this. Like if you need me to break this down farther. I just wanted to make this quick video because a lot of this industry stuff is proprietary and exclusive training, and I want to make sure all my free stuff is better than any paid shit out there. So hope you guys have a great June 13th. Get ready for July 4th. I'll be making tons of banger videos, dropping bombs on here. Make sure you follow the Let's Get Lit podcast where I interview other very high producing and high caliber life insurance agents that seem to have figured something out that works for them, and just want to bring you those patterns to where you can incorporate in your sales process, and hopefully it brings you more value. But if you have any problems or you don't agree with this, I'd love to hear your uptake in this, because as soon as I'm presented with something more beneficial or more value, or it has a different mindset or perception to it, I'm open to adoption. I'm always about being more proficient or more optimal. So if you do not like what I said at all, or you don't agree with this, I'm just saying what's worked for me in the past in selling insurance. I wrote a lot of business on my own pen, made a lot of money, and just wanted to kind of give out the secret sauce that people are dying for. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, don't ever miss another video, and drop a comment below on what you learned from this. Like it or dislike it if you dislike the video. I am Mason Van Meter, and I am out. Have a great day, guys. Love you.